Hi, welcome to KS Motors and Transport. My name is King Sammy. Today we have Audi A3 twin turbo power engine 2.0. Let me go show you. Hello, welcome to KS Motors and Transport. Today we have Audi A3 twin power turbo engine 2008 model available for sale. Check the car out. Check it out. Can you see how beautiful the car is? Can you see how beautiful the car is? It's available for sale at KS Motors and Transport. Call us today. We got you covered. You want to take a new car home? Call us today. So that's all about the body of the car, and I'm gonna open the engine of the car right now. So this is the inside of the car. Can you see that? Can you see how beautiful the car is? Can you see the leather chair? Can you see that? So what are you waiting for? Call us today. KS Motors and Transport. The car is available. And let's check the boot of the car. Yeah, as you can see, the boot of the car, everything is looking beautiful. So what are you waiting for? Call us today. The car is available at KS Motors and Transport, and we'll be waiting for your call. And if you like this video, try, like, share and subscribe. And we're coming with amazing cars. Amazing cars are coming on the way. We got amazing cars coming, so we are in stock, bro. Got amazing cars coming. So let us know what you think about the car, and it's available. Thank you, and let's go for a test drive. Let's test drive the car so you can see how powerful the car is. Thank you so much. So now let's go for the test drive. Let's count it. I told you it's a turbo engine, very powerful engine. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Are you joking, fam? So let's go faster now. The car is on 2. The car is on 6 gear. So let's go. 2. Well, that's the car, and the car is very powerful. And this is the radio, this is the FM, the CD, the scan, menu, tone when you want to set up your menu. And this way you control the AC. Go down here, where you control the AC. And you can put it down, and you can put it on automatic. And if you want to turn it off, you just press it down and it will go off. So nothing so special about the car, just a normal car. And this way you save your stuff, and it has a place for you to charge. And that's all. But it's all power window, and nothing so special. And this is where you lock and unlock the car. All power window. Even at the back, the side mirror, everything is just normal. So let's go faster now. 2, 3, 4. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Appreciate. So right now we're gonna check out the engine. Let's see what we got. Do you see that? Do you see that? That's amazing. Do you see that? That's a powerful car. What are you waiting for? Call us today. KS Motors and Transport. We got you covered. Check it out. What are you waiting for? All power windows. You see that? And let's check the engine. So that's all about the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share the video. And if you want the car, it's available at KS Motors and Transport. Hit me up, call me today, and let's do business. Peace out.